Dischidia Oianthia Geri is a trailing epiphyte native to the Philippines. It is a succulent that is related to Hoyas. Dischidia Oianthia was published by Frederick Richard Rudolph in Fragmenta Florae Philippinae in 1904. It's also known as Dischidia Geri, however, it's not the official ID of the plant. Dischidia Geri is a great growing Dischidia with round green leaves measuring 2 centimeters in diameter, with new foliage emerging in pink-red color. The blooms come with tiny cream-white, lantern-shaped flowers producing umbels of 3 to 10 blooms. The new growth is reddish-orange, then turns light green. Native habitat of Dischidia Oianthia Geri is a tropical forest and partial shade. Dischidia Oianthia will thrive in morning sun, but should be kept away from direct sunlight to avoid sun damage. Again, it is an epiphyte, which means it grows in tropical forests where it attaches itself to tree bark. It gets its nutrition from organic matter, which accumulates in coarse tree bark and from humid air. Soil for Dischidia Oianthia Geri must be light, porous, and well draining. Water it regularly, allowing the top half of the soil to dry before watering again. Dischidia doesn't really need fertilizer, but you should change the planting media every year.